Hello, I'm Becca Awakened, and here I am channeling White Buffalo Woman as part of a Sunday service with my community through Infinity School. Enjoy. And the teachings of White Buffalo Woman have taught me before, like when she's come to me before, it's like, if you start to reconcile the knowledge within yourself that you are a light and you're here in collaboration with the body. You're here in collaboration with what is the matter of Mother Earth. Like you're like part of Mother, like the organism of Mother Earth. And if I could pull it back even further, it's like if Mother Earth is, a water planet, then perhaps Mother Earth is the vascular system, of our body. I'm just throwing it out there, right? Or like, the same as like Mars is represented by the liver, whatever, right? Like, it's just cool to think about how interconnected it is. And the more you come into the knowing of who you are here, which is this like beautiful, intentional collaboration towards the growth of Earth, towards the ascension of Earth, then the more at peace your body becomes. I feel like I'm okay, that like White Buffalo Woman will probably come through now. I'm also wanting to being urged to talk a little bit about like our heart's mission. So I'm gonna just see if White Buffalo Woman has anything else, like has anything intentional like to come through. Okay. You are a you are a sacred instrument. See your vessel, see your human a presence as a sacred instrument. And as you awaken to its potential, then you have the free will to choose how to use that sacred power of creation or destruction. But see yourself as a sacred instrument and learn how to be able to play your own instrument, your own song. I want to say in flow, but it might be a different word. Everything you put your intention to is being sung energy into. So when you look upon something for a long time or start to consider or think about it a lot, you are singing energy towards it, creator energy. Your body starts to exude energy towards it. It's not about mastering the body, it's about witnessing and understanding how the body wants to be one with the earth, because that is what you are here to do, is to work with the body to be one with the earth. It doesn't mean that there isn't an innovation or things that might cause disruptions. However, it is about being in union and working towards harmony. It does start with coming into harmony within your own body. And for gosh sakes, stop worrying about what you're eating. Try not to eat poison. It seems pretty obvious. But don't put shame upon yourself if you do choose to indulge. everyone is addicted to numbing themselves from the truth of what has been co created together as human society. Back to the heart being, or your human body being an instrument, it is the heart that is the uh, life force behind the melody that you sing in every moment. There are always others in harmony with your heart's resonance or your heart's song at every moment, all the time, for you are within the whole system as part of the collective. Unity implies that no one is kicked out, so you are always within resonance of something else or someone else within the field that you exist. So never be afraid of being alone. Trust that if you stay in tune with your heart's resonance, that those who are aligning are also feeling the lift of your spirit, and that those who are most meant for you will come forward and be drawn into the song you are singing. Kind of like the Pied Piper. But then this is me, Rebecca, saying, like, sometimes I think the Pied Piper gets a bad rap. White Buffalo Woman. She's trying to think of another. I'm trying to think of another way of putting it, but you get the idea. Okay, she's saying it's important to come into physical contact with the feelings of your body when in different emotional states, to understand the way that the body is interpreting your thoughts as being attacks on itself. By separating the operations of the body and coming into this more authentic relationship of being in collaboration with the body will allow you to start to master the mind in ways that you didn't think were possible before. And as of today, you'll start to see a shift because I have started to plant the seed in your head and given you an understanding that will shift the way that you perceive the sacral chakra when you engage it through meditation. When you start to listen to your human body now, you will understand that even procreation is not as important as your media would make it out to be. That any sort of energy exchange between humans is quite sacred at the moment, and is often used to be siphoned by the negative forces or the negative winds upon the earth. There's a lot of other surprising things that would come from listening to and understanding your body and the way that you have been allowing stories that are not true to hold your body captive to what I would call the plane of suffering. And she's telling me that she's going to let me now take us through a guided meditation. And she just thanks everybody for listening and for being dedicated to your own melody, she's saying, your own contribution to the symphony. I would say like even just the song, right? The song of earth. Okay. Thank you, White Buffalo Woman.